Introducing right-angle feed-through RAFT connectors, designed for limited rear access. The RAFT format gives a low rear profile and vertical cable runs, ideal where access is from the top or bottom, front or rear mounting with multiple hole options. Choose from 6 versions: RJ45 Cat 5e, RJ45 Cat 6, HDMI, USB 2, USB 3.1, and USB-C. 2 widths for product design: standard XLR frame 26 by 31 mm, panel cutout 24 mm. DualSLIM 19 by 35.5 mm, fits 17.15 by 22.86 mm cutouts. Body options: black plastic for XLR cutouts, for DualSLIM, nickel, black metal or black plastic. Mounting choices: 2.5 mm plane, 3.2 mm plane, 3.2 countersunk, M3 threaded, or number 440 UNC threaded. Build flexible panels fast, up to 16 XLR or 20 DualSLIM positions on a 19-inch rack panel. Right-angle feed-through, low rear profile, cleaner builds, ready when you are.